welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna film for you guys a what's in my kids Easter basket video. I've done these videos the past couple years, and last year I collaborated with a number of ladies, and I'm doing it again this year. So I'm gonna link all their channels down below where you can find their videos on what they are getting their kids for Easter. I have two kids, in case you don't know. My name is Erin. I have two kids named Jude and Miriam. Jude is 6, Miriam is 3, almost 4. She'll be just a week shy of 4 come Easter. And because they have birthdays right around Easter, they are spring babies. I don't like to get them a ton of stuff because they've just been bombarded with toys and stuff like that. So these are sort of non-toy ideas that you can give your kids for Easter. So let's just hop right to it. So these are the actual baskets here. Miriam has this cute little bunny basket that she actually inherited last year from my sister's mother-in-law. So this is a secondhand basket, and she loves it, so I kept it for her this year. And then this is Jude's basket, and I found this at a yard sale last summer. So yeah, these are their baskets. They don't match, but they don't really care. These are baskets from us. We don't really do the Easter bunny bringing gifts. We just do gifts from us for Easter. So I will start with Jude. He is the 6-year-old. So yeah, let's just dig in and see what's inside. I found these at the Dollar Tree. They are gladioli bulbs, or gladiolus bulbs. I'm not really sure what the correct plural is there, but anyway, I thought this would be fun for the kids to help me plant outside. They are to be planted in the ground between June, where did it say? Oh no, between February and June. So in the next, you know, coming months, I guess, or weeks, we can start getting these into the ground and see what they bring us come summertime. So I'm excited for those. Then we are huge Disney fans, so we've got quite the Disney movie collection, but a lot of them are still on VHS. So I'm slowly, yes, we still have a VHS player. I'm slowly buying DVDs to replace the VHSs, but this one we actually don't have at all, and it is Disney's Coco movie. We haven't even actually seen this yet, so I think this will be fun for us to watch all together. So I got that for him. Then another Disney inspired thing is this t-shirt. I got this from Old Navy. They had a great sale, and then they had 40% off the sale price. So I picked up this t-shirt for him, just a plain white t-shirt with black on there, and it's just a little Mickey. From this collection here, the Disney Collectabilities, and I just think it's classic, cute, and I think he'll love it. Train's going by. Then it wouldn't be an Easter basket without some candy or chocolate. So this is what I did this year, and I think I will continue it every year. I try and go a little bit low waste, not really because these are plastic, but I'm gonna reuse these from year to year. So I got these from the Dollar Tree. They came 3 in a pack, so 3 of the little chicks and 3 of the carrots. I just filled them with some gummy candies here that I got from the bulk store. Also got some mini eggs in this one here, and then here got some M&Ms, but in this sort of pastel-y Eastery colors. So I realize this isn't a ton of candy, but my kids react to sugar in a crazy way, so I like to limit the sugar that they have. Then the last thing in the basket is this little box here. I made this box for Jude. It was a plain sort of wood box, but then I just added some watercolor on there, and then I put his little nickname on there, Jude Boy. And then inside the box, I have 2 little gift cards, and they say date with mommy and date with daddy. So I got those for him because he really enjoys one-on-one time, like what kind of kid doesn't? So this is a really special gift, and I think a great idea for sort of a budget-friendly gift, as well as a really meaningful gift in Easter baskets, or for any situation. So anyway, now I will hop into Miriam's Easter basket. So very similar things, but a little bit different, a little bit tailored to her. So her little box I also made for her, just with a bit of different coloring. It says Memesy on there because that's her little nickname, and then inside it's the exact same thing, date with daddy and date with mommy. So in the coming weeks after Easter, I will take Jude out while Dave takes Miriam, and then we'll switch on another day, and so that we all get some one-on-one time with each other. Then as far as the candy goes, she got the exact same thing, except that she got 2 of the carrots and 1 of the little chick. The movie that she got is Mulan, so she really loves this movie, and it actually happens to be Mulan 1 and 2 on the same DVD. This was actually a pretty good deal from Walmart. I feel like it was maybe $6 or $7. So I think that was pretty good for 2 movies. Mulan 2 isn't my favorite, but we'll see what she thinks of it. So anyway, I got that for her. She also got the same type of bulbs here, the gladiolus bulbs. And I just really like the yellow color, and I think yellow outside with the green of the grass and stuff is a really nice look. So we just bought our house last year, and so our outside landscaping leaves a lot to be desired. So we will have to work on that. So I think that's what those bulbs will do. And then her t-shirt, she also got something from that Disney Collectabilities collection, and she got this Minnie Mouse tee, a little peplum sort of style, black and white, and I think that is super cute, and she is going to love that. Then the last thing I got for her, and I actually got one for Jude too, but I forgot, is that they each got a book. So this is the book that I got for Miriam, my little golden book about God. I just thought this was super precious. I got this from the thrift store for $1. And then for Jude, I got this book for him. He loves starting to read chapter books now. So I found this book also for $1, Dinosaur Cove, Attack of the Tyrannosaurus. So those are the things that I put in my kids' Easter baskets. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video in the future, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!